Big news for animators. Adobe planned to stop Adobe Animate. The internet reacted strongly, and now Adobe has changed its decision. But there's a twist you need to know. Hey everyone, welcome back. If you use Adobe Animate for animation, design, or content creation, this update is important for you. Let's quickly understand what really happened. So what actually happened? Recently, Adobe announced that Adobe Animate would be discontinued in the future. This surprised many animators and creators around the world. After feedback from the creative community, Adobe reviewed the decision and officially confirmed Adobe Animate will continue to remain available. But here is the important part. Adobe Animate is now in maintenance mode. This means the software is not going away, but it will no longer receive major updates or new features. What does maintenance mode mean? Here's what you should know. Adobe Animate will continue to work normally. You can still download and use it. Adobe will provide security updates and bug fixes. However, no new features will be added in the future. So the software is stable, but not evolving. So what should you do? If you are already using Adobe Animate, you can continue without worry. But for long-term planning, many creators are also exploring other animation tools alongside Animate. What do you think about this update? Will you continue using Adobe Animate or try alternatives? Comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech updates.